So, since I dropped the video announcing the series, I've been getting quite a few interests. Right, some persons asking questions, making up theories, just trying to put two and two together. Some persons have been quite close thus far, and as I said, no clues as yet. I am here to answer a few of those questions today. Alright, so first question is, how many episodes or what is the duration of this series? Alright, so the plan is to have one episode per month, right? Which would means one person will walk away with a piece made by me once per month. Alright, so the second question. Can someone become a subscriber on spot and win? No. Right? No one can become a subscriber on spot and win the prize. The subscriber which will be winning or will be given the prize on that day would have to be a subscriber before the day of the giveaway. Alright, so question number 3. How long will you be at the location? 30 minutes. Half an hour is the time that I'll be at the location. Alright, so question number 4. What will happen to the piece if no one finds you? Alright, so if no one finds me, the piece or pieces accumulated will be available in a raffle during the final episode of the season. Alright, so the final question for this session is, can a subscriber win multiple times? And the answer to that is yes. A subscriber can win as many times as they find me. So the rule just remains, the first subscriber to find me on the given day, right, will receive the piece. As long as you're a subscriber before the actual day of the giveaway, then yes, you're eligible. So stay ready, stay watching, and remember, repetition creates results.